In your previous class, 8th standard, you have studied about 2D shapes. So now we will describe difference between 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Let us see on the board. 2D shapes. If we talk about 2D shapes, first we take the shape of square. If we want to find the area of square, it will be side into side. This is square, this is side, side. So, area of square, you know very well it is side into side. Now we move to rectangle. Area of rectangle is L into B. This is L and this is B. Now we move to third figure, triangle. Area of triangle is half base into height. This is base and this is height. If we want to know about 3D shapes, just we have to join all these squares and all these rectangles and we will get the different figures related to 3D shapes. Now we move towards 3D shapes. How we can join all these squares and we will get different shapes of cube and cuboid. Now we will talk about 3D shapes. In first shape, we will take cube. If we join 6 surfaces which are in the shape of square, we will get a cube. Surface area of cube. If we join 6 square surfaces, you will get the shape of cube. You can see that we are joining 6 squares and we are getting the shape of cube. Now, if you want to find the total surface area of cube, how we can find the total surface area of cube? So first, we will take top surface. Area of top surface will be side into side. As you know that the area of square is side into side and we are taking here the top surface which is also in the shape of square. So, area of top surface will be A into A. In the same way, we will find the area of remaining 5 surfaces. Area of bottom surface. Area of bottom surface is also A into A. Now next will be area of right side surface. It is also A into A. Now we move to area of left side surface. It is also A into A. Now area of front surface. It is also A into A. Now area of back surface. It is also A into A. So if we join all these surfaces as we are mentioning here in first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, we will get the total surface area of cube. It will be a square plus a square plus a square plus a square plus a square and plus a square. So that will be 6a square. So in this way, we can easily find the total surface area of cube. So if we want to find the curved surface area of cube, what we will do? We will just ignore the top surface and bottom surface and we will take only the surface area of right side, left side, front side and back side. In this way, we will find the curved surface area of cube and that will be a square, a square, a square and a square. So if we join third, fourth, fifth and sixth, we will get lateral surface area of cube, or you can say curved surface area of cube. So your answer will be 4a square. So in this way, we can find the curved surface area of cube and total surface area of cube. Suppose we are taking an object which is open from the top, then the total surface area of that type of object will be 5a square, because here we are excluding the area of top surface and we are taking the area of curved surfaces and the area of bottom surface. So the total surface area of that type of object will be 5a square. Now we will move to our next figure. It will be cuboid. So I want to tell you that if we are talking about the cuboid, so now instead of taking the shape of square, we are considering the shape of rectangle. So if we join 6 rectangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, we will get the shape of cuboid. In cuboid, we will get 6 rectangular surfaces. As we are describing all the surfaces in cube, in the same way, we will describe all the 6 surfaces in cuboid, where we will use the formula of area of rectangle. Let us see how we can find the total surface area of cuboid. So first we draw the figure. It is very easy to draw the figure. Simply, you will draw a rectangle. Yes. And again another rectangle. Join their vertices. It is quite simple. Join their vertices and you can see the shape of cuboid. This is L, this is B and this is H. Suppose I want to find the area of top surface. Area of top surface, it will be L into P. As we are finding the area of top surface, now we will find the area of bottom surface. It will also remain same. It is also L into P. If we join them, we will get 2LP. In the same way, we will find the area of right side surface and left side surface. It will be area of right side surface. It will be B into H. B into H. In the same way, we will find the area of left side surface. Now we are using this part. This is also B into H. If I join both these, I will get 2BH. Now, the two surfaces are left, front and back. Now, we find the area of front side surface. It will be L into H, and area of back side surface will be also L into H. So, it will be 2LH. So, you can see that we are getting 2LB, 2BH and 2LH. So, if I join all these 6 surfaces area, I will get total surface area of cuboid. It is quite simple. If I join all the areas of 6 surfaces, you can see here 2LB, 2BH and 2LH. Now, we are going to find total surface area of cuboid. Now, I am taking 2 common. So, this is the total surface area of cuboid. Now, suppose the question is given in this form that we are finding the curved surface area of cuboid. So, in this situation, we will avoid this part. It means we are using only right side surface, left side surface, front side surface and back side surface. So, in this way, we will get curved surface area of cuboid. It will be 2BH and 2LH. Again, we are taking 2H common. So, we will get 2H L plus B. Or you can write it in this form also. 2 L plus B into H. So, this is the curved surface area of cuboid. Suppose we are taking the example of a room, and the room is also having the shape of cuboid. But if I ask that we have to find the area of the room where there is no ceiling, if the question is like this, what we will do? We will just ignore that top surface. If we ignore the top surface, it means now we are finding the area of the room without ceiling. So, if we want to find such type of area, so there are two ways to find the area of the room. If the ceiling is not available or not present, that what we will do? Simply, we will write total surface area of room minus area of top. This is one of the way to find the area of the room where the ceiling is not present. Suppose we want to find the area of that room in different ways. So, we can also write curved surface area of room, or you can say cuboid plus area of bottom surface. So, friends, it is quite easy for you to find the area of cuboid. So, you can find curved surface area of cuboid, you can find total surface area of cuboid, and you can also find the area of cuboid when the top surface is excluded. So, I will recall all the formulas which we have learned right now. Total surface area of cuboid. Now everyone can give the answer. It will be 2LB plus BH and LH. If we want to find only the curved surface area, it will be 2 L plus B into H. And if we join bottom surface in curved surface area of cuboid, then we will get 2 L plus B into H plus area of bottom surface. So, this is curved surface area and this is area of bottom surface. So you can see that we are finding the area of room without ceiling. We are finding area of room without ceiling. And if we want to find curved surface area of the room, the formula will be 2 into L plus B into H. And if we want to find the total surface area of the room, then it will be 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus LH. So these are the formulas for cuboid. Now we recall the formulas of cube also. So total surface area of cube is 6a square. Curved surface area of cube will be 4a square. Now again, if we exclude the top part, then the total surface area will be total surface area of cube without top, it will be 5a square. Now the question is how we are getting it. So what we are doing, we are taking curved surface area plus we are adding area of bottom surface. So my friends, you can get the area in this way also. So you can see here that how I am getting the area of the cube when the top part is not included. So curved surface area plus area of bottom, so it will give you 4a square plus a square, that will be 5a square. So my dear students, so you can see here that we have done the formulas of cuboid and cube. Total surface area of cuboid is 2 LB plus BH plus LH. And curved surface area of cuboid is 2 into L plus B into H. And we are also finding the area of the room because you know very well that the room gives us the shape of cuboid. And if you want to see the shape of cube, now you can take the example of chalk box, dice. These are the examples of cube. So my friends, thank you so much. I hope you like my chapter. Thank you so much.